Have you ever looked up at the night sky on a clear, dark night and truly wondered what's out there amidst that infinite expanse? What secrets do those distant lights hold? Beyond the moon and planets, the familiar faces of our solar system, there are trillions of stars, each a sun in its own right, and many with their own planets, orbiting them in distant solar systems. For years, these distant worlds, known as exoplanets, were just theories, mere possibilities in the vast cosmic ocean. But one exoplanet, Proxima Centauri b, or simply Proxima b, is special, holding a unique place in our quest for discovery. Proxima b is our closest planetary neighbor outside the solar system, a celestial body residing just beyond our solar family, just over 4 light-years away, a relatively short distance in cosmic terms. We first discovered it by noticing a tiny wobble in its star, Proxima Centauri, a subtle dance revealing its presence. It's like seeing a big dog tugged by an invisible puppy, the star's movement betraying the planet's gravitational pull. This invisible world, once only known through indirect measurements, became a cosmic mystery, shrouded in intrigue, sparking endless questions. What does it look like? Could it have oceans, vast bodies of water, or clouds swirling in its atmosphere? Its proximity makes it the perfect target for exploration, a prime candidate for our telescopes and future space missions, a neighbor just across the cosmic street within reach of our ever-advancing technology. And now, something incredible has happened, a monumental achievement in our quest to understand the cosmos. NASA has taken a direct photograph of Proxima b, capturing its faint light after years of searching. For the first time, we're not just looking at a graph filled with data points or a blurry dot representing a distant world, but a real image, a portrait of a world light years away, a tangible glimpse into the unknown. This moment transforms Proxima b from a mystery, an enigma, into a place we can actually see, a world we can begin to understand. It's a historic leap, a giant step forward in our exploration of the universe, opening a new chapter in our exploration of the universe, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can discover. Get ready, we're about to journey to a world we've only dreamed of, a world that is now finally coming into view. So, what exactly is Proxima b? What makes it so interesting to scientists and space enthusiasts alike? It's an exoplanet, a planet orbiting a star other than our own sun. These distant worlds hold the key to understanding planetary formation and the potential for life beyond Earth. Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, which is a red dwarf star. Proxima Centauri is much smaller and dimmer than our sun, a stark contrast to the familiar warmth and brightness we experience daily. Because its star is so cool and emits less energy, Proxima b orbits very close to it. This proximity results in a remarkably fast orbit, with Proxima b completing a year in just 11 Earth days. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Proxima b is that it sits within the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to potentially exist on a planet's surface. From what we can gather, it's a rocky planet, estimated to be a bit bigger than Earth, and based on its location and size, it possibly has the right conditions to support life as we know it. This makes it an incredibly valuable target for study. For the first time, we have a nearby world that could potentially be studied in great detail, a crucial and exciting step in answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Before we were able to capture this image, we only knew Proxima b's approximate mass and orbital period, and that information was gathered from observing its star's subtle wobble. We didn't know for sure if it was a barren, desolate rock, or perhaps a water world covered in vast oceans, or even if it possessed an atmosphere to protect its surface from the harsh radiation of its star. But getting a direct image of Proxima b changes everything we thought we knew. It's the difference between hearing stories about someone and finally being able to see their face and truly understand who they are. With its proximity and potential habitability, Proxima b is now our best shot at discovering another habitable world beyond our solar system. Every new detail we uncover brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the vast and mysterious universe. Photographing a planet light years away is like spotting a firefly next to a searchlight from miles away. NASA used the Magellan Webb Interferometer, a powerful new space telescope, to block out the blinding starlight with a coronagraph, like a high-tech sunshade. Even then, Proxima B's light was faint, so the MWI collected light for over 100 hours. The MWI is actually a group of telescopes working together in formation, using interferometry to create a super-detailed image. Each telescope captured a piece of the puzzle, and supercomputers on Earth combined the data, like assembling a billion-piece jigsaw. After weeks of processing, the faint signal of the planet was enhanced and separated from the background. Every step required precision and patience from hundreds of scientists and engineers. The result? A breathtaking, crystal-clear image of Proxima B that's electrified the world. Oh, for the first time, we're seeing Proxima B itself. Not an artist's guess, but the real thing. The image reveals a jewel-like sphere, deep blues, swirling whites, and reddish-brown patches. The vast blue areas suggest large oceans, with different shades hinting at varying depths. This is a monumental leap. Water is no longer just a theory. We can see continents, clouds, and even weather patterns. The planet's atmosphere is visible as a hazy layer of swirling clouds, especially along the line between day and night. This confirms Proxima B has a substantial atmosphere, crucial for habitability. The clouds look thick and dynamic, hinting at active weather systems. The reddish-brown land masses might be rich in iron oxides, or perhaps covered in exotic vegetation adapted to red starlight. Proxima B is both familiar and alien, a world with oceans and continents, yet strikingly different from Earth. This single image replaces years of speculation with real visual evidence. We're no longer guessing, we're seeing. This photo is a scientific goldmine. Spectroscopy confirms the deep blue is liquid water, our first direct detection of alien oceans. The swirling clouds are water vapor, and tracking them revealed global wind patterns. Proxima B is tidally locked. One side always faces its star, creating a permanent day and night. Winds flow from the hot day side to the cold night side, distributing heat. There's a faint hint of methane, a possible biosignature, though not proof of life. The image also lets us map continents and oceans for the first time. We've moved from asking if Proxima B exists to exploring its climate, geology, and potential for life. Imagine embarking on a journey to Proxima B, a world beyond our solar system. You arrive in a futuristic spaceship, traversing the vast interstellar distances, the hum of the engines a constant reminder of the incredible voyage. As you approach, you begin seeing the planet's mesmerizing blue oceans, stretching across its surface like shimmering jewels. And as you get closer, you observe reddish continents up close, vast and seemingly barren, yet full of untold secrets. The sky above glows with an ethereal orange hue, or perhaps a mysterious purple, painting the horizon with otherworldly colors, all lit by the faint yet persistent glow of a dim red star, casting long shadows across the alien landscape. As you land on the surface, the ground beneath your feet feels like a rusty desert, a testament to the planet's unique composition. The air is thick and humid, clinging to you like a damp cloth, with steady winds constantly blowing from the dayside, carrying whispers of the planet's secrets. The plants that manage to survive here might be a dark, rich purple, or even a deep, absorbing black, efficiently absorbing the scarce red light, converting it into life. They are huddled low to the ground, seeking shelter from the harsh environment. Life could be simple here. Perhaps no large animals roam the land, but maybe the alien ocean teems with strange and wonderful creatures, adapted to the unique conditions. Standing on this alien world, you'd feel an overwhelming sense of awe. Every rock, every strange plant, and every gust of wind is a new and exciting discovery, a piece of the puzzle that is Proxima B. This planet, once just a faint wobble, a blip, a mere anomaly in telescope data, is now undeniably a real place, a tangible world, complete with its own unique weather patterns, distinct geography, and the tantalizing potential for life to exist. Our imaginary journey, inspired by a single photograph, a fleeting glimpse, shows us that the universe is absolutely full of wonders, mysteries, and possibilities. all waiting patiently to be explored and understood. Proxima B is no longer just a distant idea, a theoretical concept. It's a destination, a beacon calling us to the stars. The adventure of exoplanet exploration has only just begun, and the possibilities are truly limitless. This photograph is more than a scientific milestone. It's a turning point for humanity. For the first time, an exoplanet is a real place, not just an idea. It inspires new dreams of interstellar travel and exploration. The image will drive future missions, maybe even probes to Proxima Centauri. It gives us a clear target and energizes the search for life beyond Earth. Seeing another world with oceans and clouds makes us appreciate our own planet even more. The quest to explore and the mission to protect Earth are deeply connected. This image is a symbol of hope, curiosity, and what we can achieve together. We've peeled back the cosmic curtain other worlds await. The journey to answer new questions has just begun.